Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of modern cleaning with the electric spin scrubber, a cordless cleaning brush that revolutionizes your home maintenance routine. This powerful tool features a top-of-the-line chip technology with a 5000 mAh battery, offering up to 90 minutes of cleaning on a full charge after just 3 to 4 hours of charging. Designed with versatility in mind, it boasts 3 adjustable sizes, 12, 43, and 54 inches, allowing you to effortlessly reach every corner without bending or kneeling, making it perfect for the elderly or those with joint issues. The scrubber's dual-speed motor system, with low and high speeds of 250 RPM and 350 RPM respectively, lets you customize your cleaning experience, saving you time and effort compared to traditional methods. Its tight protection design ensures it can handle humid environments, making it ideal for cleaning showers, bathtubs, tile floors, and more, all while being cordless for ultimate convenience. With 8 replaceable brush heads included, this scrubber adapts to various cleaning scenarios, from bathrooms and kitchens to cars and tires, ensuring a scratch-free shine on tiles, glass, and vehicles. Say goodbye to cumbersome cleaning tools and hello to efficient, deep cleaning with the electric spin scrubber, your new household essential. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.